summer of 1973, shocking murders were committed with a variety of tools, including hammers, beat hooks, and most disturbingly, a chainsaw.
Small dick. Boom. Blah 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 blah. What the fuck? Shit. What are you doing in my house? Hi. Blah 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 blah. Fuck. Blah 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 blah. Baby? I'm fine. Go back to your room. He is one of the last of my boys. He doesn't do well outside. That's why I can't leave him. Do you understand, bitch? Door open. Bitch, why are you here? Bitch, what have you done? Bitch, let's go. Ugh. I go with him. Boom. Be a good boy, bitch. Stay in mommy's room, bitch. Dead. Hey, bitch. Crack. Wee! Wee! Mr. Pussy, what's going on? What's going on, pussy? What's going on, Mr. Pussy? Mr. Pussy, what's going on? What's going on, pussy? What's going on, Mr. Pussy? Here, bitches. Help me, bitches. This is Harsty, bitch.